Yo, what's going on, guys? So I got some big news. I made another financial disaster. I got another bucket, and it's right here. Absolute piece of crap, but it's all good. And I only got it because I couldn't say no to the deal, because you know I stay getting deals. So we're here with the homies. We got Trey, we got Ken, we got Gabe sleeping in his LS400. His car's sick, by the way. Then we got the A6 over there. Oh yeah, with the long champs. Got the FC. But yeah, this is the new one. This is the new project, the next project. It's not running as of now. And I'm just getting rid of these horrid reps for less horrid reps. But these wheels are terrible. So I'm gonna be putting these from the 8.6 on there. Just gonna get those on the back right here, because the back is 4 lug and the front is 5 lug, which is ghetto, and it's got steelies. So I got some spare 5 lug wheels that I'm gonna put on the front. But yeah, just cleaning it out right now. It's not in bad shape, although it looks like a piece of crap. Interior is pretty clean. It's just a lot of crap inside, but pretty clean. It's not bad. Cracked dash, obviously, but it has a digital cluster off of a Nissan NX 1600. Hopefully that works, I don't know. And it's 5-speed swapped. It was originally auto, and it has a rebuilt trans, and it's a dual cam. Thank you, Ken. So yeah, it's a dual cam. It's not running right now. It gets power to the ignition and everything, but when I crank the key, no start, no crank. And then also, because of these stupid giant tires and wheels right here, tire rubbed through the harness, and so there's bare wire. So definitely got to fix that bare wire before I try to start it again. And then I have a feeling it's gonna be the starter or maybe a blown fuse, so I'm gonna track down why it's not cranking. But for now, we're just gonna clean it up, get rid of all this crap. It's been sitting for a long time, real dirty. Alright guys, so just finished wrapping the harness. I'm just gonna tuck it right now. I'm gonna do the infamous 240 wire tuck. So it's looking all nice. Wrapped the whole thing, sorted out the frayed wires. So I'm gonna go up like right here, cut this section off, and then zip tie that up. Good. Yep, nice and clean cuts. Perfect. Let me get the boot file. It was in the car. Oh yeah. Alright guys, quick little update. So I got this side of the harness all rewrapped as well. Looking nice. Wrapped them all individually too, so they're not touching or bare anymore. So now I just need to do the same thing as the other side. I just gotta cut a slot right here so this can go up, and then I gotta tuck this over the lip right there. Yeah, just been cleaning out the car some more. Found all kinds of goodies. Right, Trey?
Another lug nut, bro.
More lug nuts. Look at the box of lug nuts. This is crazy. Insane. All kinds of random stuff. Mirrors, wiring, braided lines, which is cool. And then more tools. This is all from there, so it's pretty cool. Getting some free stuff. After that, once I get the harnesses all tucked up, we are going to mess with the starter and figure out why it's not cranking. And that'll be the exciting part, so stay tuned for that. But hopefully we can get it running by the end of tonight. That's the main goal. So yeah, update you guys after I finish cutting. Show you guys how it's going later. Ooh, it's hot. All the spacious. All of these were on the car. Look at that. That's crazy.
What? Oh, I like corroded. Yeah.
Insane. Alright, I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit.
Alright.
Not bad, not bad.
The results are?
It's gonna go something like that. And then we're gonna zip tie it all up here. Should be good. Oof, I don't know if it's gonna reach. Perfect.
There you go.
Nice. I might cut a little more off. Probably gonna do that. A little more off right there. I'm probably just gonna touch this up with a little primer just so it doesn't rust the raw metal.
What do you think of this car so far?
Hey, it's not bad.
As an owner of the
Almost there.
240.
Hey, it's better than mine.
Pretty clean. Other than the crash. What is that?
Got some Rust-Oleum,
Oh yeah.
some silver primer slash paint, 2-in-1. Not gonna be too worried how this comes out, how it's gonna look, because it's gonna be covered when the fender's back on. Just don't want it to rust, so. Do the other side. Should be good. Just gonna let that dry. We're all set.
Yeah.
Not bad.
It's recording.
Alright, so plug the battery back in, clean some of the starter cables. Let's see. Let's see if we got anything. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yo.
What? Dude. It started right up. I just cleaned connection. Dude. And I fixed the harness. It could have been the harness too. Dude, that's crazy. It didn't sound great.
No,
Alright, so describe to us. So what did you do to
Okay.
this stuff?
What the f-
Okay, so basically the harness rubbed through, the tires rubbed through the harness, and there's a bunch of wires touching. So I think that was like arcing or shorting something out. And then right after that, I unplugged all the connections to the starter, and I cleaned all the starter connections, and then cleaned the battery terminals, and got them pretty tight. So just a combination of that stuff let it crank, and that was the first time we've ever heard it crank, and it just started right up.
Wow, dude.
That's insane.
So you bought the car yesterday.
Bought the car yesterday. Okay,
Was it
fixed the-
starting?
Yeah, fixed a massive gas leak that was coming like from all the lines. Cleaned out the fuel filter. I just blew through it with compressed air, and then fixed the harness. I got new battery, cleaned all the connections, cleaned the connections to the starter, cleaned the whole car out, like just vacuumed everything, got all the dirt out, and that was the first start right now that you guys just witnessed. First start since 2016. It's been sitting since 2016.
There you go.
That's crazy.
One day's worth of work.
Yep. Should I start it again?
Dude, let's start again.
Let me check
might wanna
oil
low-
again.
Yeah. Super noisy lifters for a minute.
From like being dry for that long.
Yeah. Yes, of course. That's stupid.
What's it looking like?
Okay, well, it's the level's questionable. Can you hold the keys?
You want to put a little bit in it?
I'm gonna put some fresh oil in it, but I do want to get a level with the ground because the oil's gonna be at the back of the engine, back of the oil pan at least.
What's it at?
Let's see. Oil steady. Oof, a little less than half. Alright, I'm gonna lower the car. I'm gonna get a level, and then we'll add some oil.
Okay.
Alright.
I'll see you guys when the car's level, and then we'll add some oil. Sick.
Peace.
Okay, what's up guys? Got some more good updates. Sorry for any weird lighting. I got my spotlight on right now so I could see in the dark. But the car is now on the ground, as you can see. So I got harnesses tucked on both sides. all secured nice and tight. Same thing on this side. Looks good. And then got the battery back in. Checked all the fluids. All the fluids are looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to start the car again. Let's see how well it goes. Hopefully as good as the first time. It sounds good. Not holding the idle or anything. That's crazy. Cruising down the road. This sounds good. Alright guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is going to be the end. And I have a lot more content coming out on the S13 as well as my other cars. So I hope you guys stay tuned. See you guys later. Out.